So the next one here we had was number 11, okay? Explain why the total area shaded is not equal to the integral from 1 to 7 of f of x dx. Why would that be the case? What?
Part of it's negative.
Okay, part of it is negative, that's important to recognize. So why is taking the integral from 1 to 7 not going to give us the total area?
Assume it's all positive.
Okay.
Or it only works if it's all positive.
It would work if it were all positive. That's correct. If this whole thing were above the x-axis, it would work. So why will this not give us the total area? There we go. This gives us the net area. Okay? That gives us the net area. Okay? Remember, the net area is what's left over after the negative area cancels out the positive area. Okay? So if we want the total area, we've got to write an expression with multiple integrals. Okay? How many integrals do we need? 3. All right, so we're going to have the integral f of x dx. We have another integral of f of x dx. And then we have another integral of f of x dx. All right? The first interval here, what's our first interval?
From 1 to 4.
1 to 3. Okay? It's above the x-axis, so we're all done. All right? The second interval, 3 to 5. What do we need to do since that's below the x-axis? Yeah, make it negative. If we just subtract that negative area, it'll make it positive. The other way you could do this if you wanted would be to put plus and then just put the absolute value around that whole thing.
Or integrate it from 3 to 5
Okay.
to 3.
Yeah, that's another way you can do it here. If you might remember when we first started integrals, the definite integrals, we looked at some rules here, and we said if you integrate backwards, it'll make it the opposite. Not as commonly used, but it does work here. Okay? There we go. But subtracting it's probably the simplest. Okay? And then we're going to add that last area from 5 to 7. Okay? So if we were finding this total area, we would have to break it up like this. Okay? Be careful to pay attention to what you are asked for. Okay? All right, any other questions on the ones you tried? Is this it? All right, good.